Hi there, this is Christina Nardulli with Keller Williams Realty Partners in northern Westchester and Putnam. I thought I'd take some time out to create a basic video on maneuvering through Command and just checking out all it has to offer. There are a lot of new agents in my office, and I'm sure there are many in yours as well. So let's sit down, buckle up, and spend some time checking out the dashboard before learning to drive full throttle in Command. I've created this little booklet on the basics, and I will try to attach the link of this for this guide to the YouTube video so that you can access it. So let's get started. You're going to log into Command. So it's agent.kw.com, and you will be at your main dashboard. So we're going to do an overview of the dashboard here. First, we're going to go to the left here, menu panel. If you put your mouse over the little icons, it'll pop out as to what each icon is, or you can click on the red KW and it'll pop out the little menu bar here. So the first thing is your contacts. That's where you would manage your database and track all your contacts. You can do customized features to help build your relationship with your sphere. And the next one is tasks. Tasks is where you would, it's kind of like your to-do list. Once you create tasks, you can create it also here from the main dashboard. It will pop up over here. You'll have your contact tasks, and if you assign any tasks with your opportunities, they will all show up here. But if you wanted to just do your opportunity tasks, you can do that. If you wanted to do just your contact ones, you can select and toggle between those two as well. The next thing is smart plans. This will allow you to set up traditional campaigns. You can do birthday, anniversary wishes, email marketing. So all you do is go into the library here. I don't have any smart plans set up yet, but if you go into the library, you'll see the different ones that are available to you right now. Monthly neighborhood nurture. I know the open house follow-up is a fairly new one as well. So you want to check these out. Within Command, there are these cool little buttons here that has the Kelly guide. And if you go through that, it will give you kind of step-by-step to help you complete doing this. So you get a little bit of help there as well. The next one is referrals. So this is where you want to try to interact with other agents within different states, build your referral network. So if you know someone moving to a different state, you can find an agent here and send a referral. It's a great place to get referrals. So it's a great place to interact with other agents and join one another's network for potential business. The next one is opportunities. This is where you'll track all your deals within your pipeline. I'm sorry, my menu buttons are right there. You'll have listings, buyers, and leases. I don't have much on here because I've been nursing a fractured foot for quite a few months. So I've been a little quiet. But this is where you would create an opportunity. The next button is the campaigns button. And you have paid ads, emails, direct mail, and social posts. So if you wanted to do maybe a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad, you could set it up right here. You would click on create a new campaign and follow the steps through. And it's a great way to track all your ads. The next button is the reports button. It'll just give you like your database health and stuff like that, the health of your business. The next button is designs. So this is where you'll create all your social media posts, landing pages, agent site stuff, print material. I really haven't played too much with it, but this is where you would do all your creative marketing. The next one is the listings. So this is where you would manage and market your listings. As I said, I'm kind of in limbo right now, so I don't have any listings associated. Feel free to send me a referral if anyone wants to hook up with me on the referral network. And then you can search for listings here. I believe they're still working on KWLS. Here, listing sneak preview, a peek, I should say. You are now in the listing panel lab. So coming soon, create, edit. So that should be really cool. The next one is insights. So you will share your unique area insights and expert knowledge to increase your clout and shape your clients' home buying journey. So there's all these little icons. I actually have a lot of insights that I've created in my Kelly app, but for some reason they are not showing up in my insights. No results found. Wah, wah, wah. So we'll go back to here. So if you just zoom in an area, you'll see there's a few insights here. If you click on it, here you have Taco Deli. So if someone's looking for tacos, there's a little blurb about what it is. You might see a photo there. You will see the agent that did put up this agent site. How many views? One person likes it, one person doesn't. So I guess it's so-so, but you be the judge. The next one is landing pages. It did say, oh wow, that was weird. Did you see that? Mine said landing pages and now it says sites. Okay, well, it does say sites. So for sites, you can create landing pages. You have agent site pages. So these will be all the pages that you've created on your website, where you can preview them, you can edit them, you can delete them. Your neighborhood pages. So any contacts that you've created a neighborhood page would go there as well. And then the shaded one here is listing consultation. So that's something that's going to be coming soon. So let's go back to home. So home is the little house up here in the upper left-hand corner. So in the middle here, I already talked about tasks. Then you have goals versus actuals. As you can see, I didn't set up my 2020 goals as of yet. Shame on me. And then you have your database health comparison. So it just compares your database health to here. You can do a drop down, agents in my market center. And then if you want to just, I guess, compare your database health to someone else's. Over here, you have a little notes section, a type what's on your mind. Maybe you want to put a little reminder for yourself or a little note there, you can. This area up here are the product updates. So it'll give you, there's a little what's new tab. It'll give you this week's updates. It'll give you an idea of what they're working on within Command. And then if you do the drop down, what's next, it says for the fourth quarter of 2019, these two items are coming. So they try to keep us up to date as to what's going on. I think they're doing a wonderful job trying to keep up with the demand and all the kinks and within it. So thank you and kudos to everyone who's working on that. Let's do the top menu bar now. So the red and white logo I told you will pop open the menu here. Command will bring you obviously to this command area. And then you have the connect title. If you click on that, that's going to bring you to the message boards. So you can join or create a group. You can seek answers to common questions, interact with other KW agents, find agents, contact information, etc. So it's kind of like a little Facebook page or panel, whatever you want to call it. Here's my Northern Westchester Putnam one. So I'm going to click on it just to show you. They're still working. They've added more tabs within here. So there's a feed from my office. Then you have members. So you can search the members within the office. Then there's an events tab, which is coming soon. So this is probably going to be like the office calendar. And then you have a resources tab that's coming soon as well. I'm not too sure what's going to be in there, but it looks like maybe files and videos. So we have that to check out. The next thing over is this little house here. It's a marketplace. So it's kind of like your Play Store, or what is it, the Apple Store. It's a KW marketplace store. So here you have different apps that you can download on your computer. Some are free, some are paid. I haven't really dabbled too much in this, but you can check that out. The little bell here is for notifications. So you'll get a display if you have anything there. I'm all caught up, so that's good. I'll just go to this one right now, the question mark here. That's help and information. So you can go to Keller Williams University. You can chat with support, and you can post an idea here. So if you have an idea that you want to see implemented within Command, go to post an idea, and I think if it gets enough votes, then they will look into it, look into about maybe implementing it. So your name here, this is got a lot of meat in this one. So click on your name, and you're going to see a drop down here. So the first one you're going to see is your profile. This is where you can edit your contact information, areas you service in your bio within Connect, I believe. So if you wanted to change, you probably have like a cityscape here. I went into Canva and I created my own banner. So you just hover over the top, click on change banner photo, and you're able to change that. Your profile photo here, you can click on your profile photo and change that there as well. The button here to edit the profile is just that. The shaded areas is not something that you can click in, but you can put in your email, phone numbers, mobile numbers, the areas that you service, your bio. And here's where you can put your social media links. So your Facebook URL. So I'm just going to show you really quick. So when you go do your Facebook URL, you're going to open up Facebook. And if you don't have a business page, you're going to want to click on your name. So that will be your profile page. So you would copy this whole thing here, copy it, and paste it within your Facebook URL. If you have a business page, you want to click on your business page. Why didn't it do it here? Hold on. I'm going to click on my business page from the left side. There we go. And then copy this. Copy it and paste it to there. Because you don't want people just to go to the general Facebook. You want it to go directly to your business page or your business profile. Same thing with Twitter. Same thing with LinkedIn. Make sure you go to your page. Your YouTube URL, if you have a YouTube channel, Google Plus, and Instagram. Here, I opted in the referral network. I don't know why you would not, but this is where you can toggle between if you want to opt in or not. If you want these things shown on your profile page, you can just click it and it will add it on, or click it again to shut it off. I just have my time with KW on here. And then you're going to want to make sure you click on Save Changes. So this is what people will see, and like they can click on my Facebook link here, and boom, it'll bring them right to my Facebook page. And then you got Instagram and Twitter and so on. So that is your profile. Next thing we're going to do is go on the click on your name again and click on settings. So now what you see here are your applications, your connected apps. So if you're just starting out, you're going to have nothing connected. Or maybe you've just connected a few. So you're going to want to go through each one and connect it. It's very important that before you connect it, you want to make sure that you have an actual account first. So make sure you get an account and get the login information, write it down in a safe place so that when you go to connect, it would be over here, you'd connect it, it'll ask you to log in, you'll have your login and your password, and then you can connect it. And it will tell you your status here if you're connected. You want to connect your Facebook, your Twitter, your Google Calendar, MailJet, Gmail, Twilio. Twilio is a paid service, so that's where they can text directly from command, which is pretty cool. I think you could do bulk email, bulk text now. PieSync, and then you have productivity and marketing automation and email marketing. So this is where you would connect all your apps. On the left side, we're going to click on Command Settings. So we already went to the applications, which is right here. Then you have Contacts. If you click on that, you have Contact Archive. So that will show you a list of all your archived contacts. Database Wipe is where you can archive all your contacts or you can delete all your contacts. So if you have a database now and you're like, oh gosh, I just want to wipe it all out, go to the Database Wipe and you can archive every single contact, and it'll wipe your database fresh and new. And then if you maybe didn't want to archive somebody, you can find them here and under your contact archive. And you could always restore them. Custom tags is where you would create custom tags for your contacts and opportunities. So I started doing them here. So contacts, and then you have opportunities. Custom fields. You can create custom fields within your database. Opportunity archive. Opportunity archive. So here is where, like, I was doing some testing and stuff, but let's say you started an opportunity and it went sour and you archived it, and then all of a sudden, miraculously, it revives itself, and you're like, oh shoot, where's that opportunity? So you just go into Opportunity Archive and you can restore it. So all hope is not lost. Your next thing is the opportunity settings. Choose the Sketchhouse template you'd like to use to send offers to your clients and co-broke. I've never dabbled in that, so I'm not too sure what that is, but it's, if you're looking for opportunity settings, that's where you find it. Then you have your agent sites. So My Neighborhoods is where you can create up to 10 neighborhoods that you're familiar with. So maybe you have an area that you like to work in, or you can set them all up here, and then you can send them to different contacts. You could post it on social media and let people know that you're the expert in that neighborhood. Landing pages, you can preview your landing page. You can preview your landing page here. That's a draft. Oops, something went wrong. Oh no. And then preview email. So that's where you would see that. Team data is, you would enter the name of your team, summary, and find the other agent in your contact, who the other team member that you want to show on your landing page. Then you have import logs. This would be your logs. If you imported anything, your log would show up here, which mine's spinning around. It's still loading. So maybe you imported some a CSV file for your contacts. Your log will be in there, and it's still thinking. Your connect settings. This is where you're going to find your marketing profile. Your marketing profile is will go on all your marketing information. So if you have this all filled out, it will make it so much easier because it'll auto fill everything that you have in here. Everything's thinking here today. Let's see. Let me go out and then maybe go back in. Settings, connect settings, marketing profile. There we go. All right. Now, this is a new thing. Use my information to brand my agent site. If you started setting up your agent site and you go to preview it, and it's just the generic Keller Williams website, and it does not say anything pertaining to your name, you want to come to the marketing profile. So click on your name, click on settings, click on connect settings, and go to marketing profile. And you want to make sure that this button is green. If you have it, if it's not green, then your information is not going to display. So if you ever see that, come here and check this out. That will most likely be your issue. You want to give it a few minutes, and then it should display your own information. If it's still not displaying and it's been a while, you might want to clear your browser cache in your web browser. I think that's what it's called. Okay, so you want to fill out all this stuff. You can also follow the Kelly guide here, which will kind of a step-by-step thing, or you can, it's pretty self-explanatory. My photo, team logo, I just use the same thing. I don't have a team, but I like having the little logo. Here, I'll show you. If I go to my site, your team logo would show up here right next to the Keller Williams logo. Your team logo would show up here. And I kind of like it with my logo there, so I'm going to put that there. So that's why I have the team logo here. Anything with an asterisk obviously is required, so make sure you fill out all your information here, your bio, your phone numbers. I was told not to put any dashes in because it will automatically put them in. If it's not doing it yet, I believe it will eventually do that. So don't put any dashes, don't put any periods, no brackets, just the numbers. Here is where you are going to want to put in your market center logo. It tells you the recommended size here. All you do is click on upload, find the file on your computer, and boom, you'll have it right there. Your market center, your brokerage name, your brokerage, your brokerage phone number, the office number, the street address, the city, state, and zip code, your license. If you have a legal footer, you would put that here. And this is the same stuff that's in your profile. I believe if you fill out your profile, it should show up here as well. If not, you can probably copy and paste it into here. This other stuff is another day, which I have to try to figure out how to get this stuff. And then down here, you have your branded KW app link, which is optional, which I think our app is going to be amazing, and it's pretty cool right now. So I would definitely put this in. If you don't know where to find this, what you're going to do is you're going to go to KW Connect. So you type in kwconnect.com and log in. You're going to go to Resources. Then you're going to click on Keller Cloud Products. On the left, under Other Resources, you're going to see KW Mobile Search App. You're going to click on that. You're going to scroll it all the way down to FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions, and Resources. And then you'll see here, View Your Mobile Download Web Address. When you click on that, it will bring you to the KWE Agency Admin Tool. And your first thing here is your mobile URL. So you're going to want to copy this, copy, and then go to your Connect and paste it right here. And then all your marketing material will have it so that if someone clicks on it to download your app, it will be branded to you. So I think that's a pretty cool feature, and I would definitely fill that out. And then after you're all done, you can click on Save. You can always go back to it to change anything that you need to at any time. So it's still thinking. Oh, there you go. So here it was successfully saved. So we're good. Remember, make sure this button says is green. And then the next thing is global settings. I have no clue what this is for. There's no menus underneath here. So I guess this is a coming soon item. I kind of went over your marketing profile, your and updating your marketing profile. So we pretty much went through everything. A few places where you can get additional help is go on to KW Connect and go to Tech Enabled Agent, or from Command, you can log into Command, click on your name, and you have Command training right here. Another place where you can get information is answers.kw.com. And then you'll see here there's command support. And you have everything command in here, and you can just click on something or search for what you're looking for. Let's do create an opportunity, and it will give you excuse me, most likely there's usually a video of some sort, but it'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to do everything command. So and then you'll have similar items on the left side here that you can play around with. Another great place to go to is on Facebook. Join the KW command group right here. It's a private group. If you're not in it, join it. You will get, there's many people who post problems, post questions, post solutions on here. By the way, Marty Miller posted that there's going to be a new 66-day challenge 3.0 starting November 22nd. So make sure you check that out. And then another one is the KW Command 66-day challenge. You're going to want to join this one as well. So daily he will be posting videos here where you can check it out and learn command. You can also find the 66-day challenge stuff on YouTube. So you can just not Google, within the YouTube search bar, type in KW 66-day challenge. And then there's also a 2.0 one, and a 3.0 one is coming soon. There's also one called I'm a Commander, which is I'm a Commander. Let's check it out. It's I'm a Commander.com / I'm a Commander. And I'll bring you here. And then learn command. And there's all different videos here as well. So create custom tags. There's another place that you can come check out if you are having trouble with command. And the last suggestion that I have for you is attend as many command classes in your market center. It's a great tool for you to learn command. We have this amazing program that's going to be such an asset to every one of us. And although it has some little issues here and there, it's going to be a real masterpiece and help us with our business. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you. I will try to post the link for my for this thingamajiggy underneath the YouTube video. This is my second video, so hopefully it was okay. But connect with me on Connect. Christina Nardulli. I'm in the Baldwin Place, New York office, and hope to see you soon. Speak to you soon. Hope you make lots of connections and have a great day.